164 minutes, $20,000 assignment.
I'll have that contract fired over to you in the next 5 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Boom,
Let's
baby!
freaking go! Robert, you sold a deal last week in 82 minutes. Can we beat that this week?
Okay, so I'm all about full transparency. I actually did not last week. I was thinking I was going to be 8 out of 11. I should have done more due diligence on that call with that buyer. I was just like, hey, do you do some flips in there? She's like,
oh, yeah, absolutely. We flip homes in this area all the time.
I was like, okay, cool. I'll send it. And I let her drop from a $5,000 EMD down to a 2.5. I gave too many concessions.
10K? No, that won't work.
And that buyer actually ghosted. The deal's still going to sell. There's a bunch of other buyers that have been reaching out about it. So the deal is selling. So I'm not going to make that mistake this week. And we have the starting price at 165. I'll buy it now at 172. I'll see if I can get you the 172, Colby, but we'll see how things go. We'll see how the buyers react.
Machine in over the weekend, last weekend, and just aired it out for a while.
I also added the Zestimate to your deal posting because you were arguing for 220 ARV, which I think is bang on. And you had a Zestimate that was a little bit higher. People trust the Zestimate more than they trust people's ARV. So I actually increased your ARV to 223. I'm like, well, okay, if Zill's giving us another $3,000, let's take it. Before I dive into any of the existing features, you guys are going to be the first ones in the public to actually see us. I'm going to test the AI live. I got some buyer IDs, and then I just got to switch these IDs. This is what the API, not the API, the AI said is going to be the best match. Hey, is this Kara?
Yes, this is Kara.
Reason I was reaching out, I saw that you were interested in our property that we have in Kansas City. ARV is 223. I'm looking to move this today. Is this something you're interested in? Or do you have someone that might be interested? If you do have someone that's looking for it, I mean, it's we're talking like a weekend, just carpet paint.
It's a ranch. It's got some gray.
Yeah.
Dang it. I probably do. Actually, he lives in Washington.
Yeah, feel free to forward it on to someone in your office too, if there's someone else, because it is such a good deal. I wouldn't want to miss it.
I actually have somebody that was in town last week that wants a ranch, and I took them around. So let me forward this to Sharif and see if he can call him.
Okay, amazing. Sounds good. Thanks. I'd love to hopefully get you this deal, and maybe we can get you a bunch more.
Okay, awesome.
Thanks so much, Kara. Talk to you soon. Bye. One of the things I always like to do is tell them that I'm selling it today, because most wholesalers are going to be like, oh, come back you want to schedule a walkthrough in a couple of days? It doesn't sound like a hot deal. If you're like, oh, you want to come by tomorrow or whatever, it'd be like, no, we're selling this in the next couple of hours. As soon as you hear that, then all of a sudden, now they're like, oh, this must be a really good deal. Oh, let me go see if someone in my office can look at it. There always needs to be a time constraint on it. Now, that can bite you in the ass. So if you don't have a hot deal, and you tell everyone that, hey, it's selling today, buyers know when I call them, if I've called them before, I'm selling that deal the same day.
Hello, this is Anthony.
Hey, Anthony, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift. The reason I'm reaching out is I got an off-market property that I was thinking might be a good fit for you. It's Kansas City. ARV and Zestimate is at 223. It just needs like carpet AI and paint. Am I AI?
Yeah.
I'm not AI, but I actually did use AI to find you as a potential buyer.
That's fine. Am I on like recording right now or something?
If you're okay with it.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I was just curious.
Yeah.
I was like, what's the chances of you calling?
No, so you know who I am.
Yeah, I used to have cartel mode.
Oh, amazing. Awesome. Well, let me go make you some money so you can come back.
You said it's a 3-1 or 3-2?
3-2.
What kind of price point do you think this one's going to be at?
I got it up on the site at 165.
Yeah, I'll be honest, I probably won't be the right buyer on it. I'm mainly buying rentals right now.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, well, we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate you spending your time with us today. And thanks so much for your business, brother. I really appreciate it. It's good connecting.
Okay, bye.
Bye. That's why I say, are you an AI?
We should develop a Robert AI for Dispo.
That'd be funny. Hey, Carter. This is Robert Wensley from Investorlift calling. Reason I'm reaching out is I have an off-market property that's pretty hot. I'm looking to sell today. ARV and Zestimate on it is $223,000. I'm looking to move it today, somewhere between 165 and 172. Is that something that would interest you?
Do you mind sending over the details of that? Yeah, what's the situation?
There was a tenant in there. Full disclosure, he was a big weed smoker, so that's why it needs carpet and paint.
I was gonna say, is it finishable? Is it watertight?
You could finish it. No known issues on the foundation, as far as I know. You do have 6'7" ceilings there, so you don't have 8-foot ceilings, but I mean, you could.
Not
You could.
finishable necessarily.
Yeah, I don't. I think this
Yeah,
one is just like just carpet paint.
Yeah, so that sounds honestly kind of perfect for me. What I'm looking for. So can you send that information over
Yeah.
my email? And then you said you're trying to move on this fast. I'm assuming hard money, cash.
Here, do you want me to just text it to you right now? You just look at it. I got 3D walkthrough videos. You just take a look at it right now, because it sounds like this might be the perfect deal for you. So yeah, give me a ring back if you want to jump on it. We'd love to hopefully do this deal with you and maybe a bunch more.
Great, thank you.
Awesome. Thanks, Carter. Talk to you soon. All right. This AI is like,
Let's go.
I mean, I'm getting some confidence here. All right. So guys, here on Artemis Mode, what we're looking at, how the system works is every single person that is looking at the deal, is they click into it. We're looking at how many images did they click through, how many times did they view it. Like Lindsay here, we can see she viewed it 3 times. She clicked through 145 images and requested the address. So very interesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in neighboring buyers. So when I click deals nearby, all these dots, these are other properties that have been listed for sale on Investorlift. When I click deals nearby, all the lead lists that were generated when people were selling those deals get pulled into your account. And then you have one master buyers list with every single lead that has ever been generated by buyers shopping in this area. So, and tremendously powerful. You see, we literally have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of leads. What I really like about this is anyone with a blue check mark beside their phone number is going to have a verified 2-factor authenticated mobile phone number. So you know 100% that those are accurate. And the other thing I love about this is it's ranking them from highest to lowest total action score, specifically in this area. So I can literally find the guys that are the most interested in this area. So we can see that this guy, has been shopping on 2 different deals. Actually, just in the last couple of days, October 19th, or on the 20th. So just yesterday, he was looking at a deal nearby. So I'm going to call Pedro.
Thanks, Jordan.
Hey, Jordan, this is Robert Wensley. Reason I'm reaching out is I got an off-market deal that I'm looking to move just a couple blocks away from a property you flipped earlier this year. Are you currently looking to acquire any off-market deals?
Yeah, sure.
This one's a hotel. Super easy. Maybe work on the floors a little bit. You're probably in and out like literally in a weekend.
All right. Yeah, send me all the photos. I'm definitely interested.
If you are really serious and you just need to check the box of going and walking it, how quickly do you think you could get a loan on this?
I could buy it sight unseen. I mean, I don't have to necessarily walk it, but I need the pictures. All right. Thanks, man.
All right. Talk to you soon, brother. This deal is definitely selling today. Ooh, I got a missed call, 208. Hey, Ian, this is Robert Wensley. David was just telling me your wife was giving you some shit, so we'll keep it quick. You can tell her I'm calling to help fund the Christmas vacation to Hawaii at the Four Seasons. Hopefully that's enough to let her have her let you away from the table for 5 minutes real quick.
So you have other offers?
So I got 2 guys on their way out to go see it. They'll be there in the next 15, 20 minutes. I'm anticipating probably full price offers, but it's 4:40 right now in my time zone. I want to be out of the office by 5 p.m. So at this point, whoever comes at 165K, sign contract here before 5 p.m. is going to get the deal.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, if you don't get full price, let me know. And but yeah, I'm not going to run up there right now. So I actually have quite a few deals right now, so I'm not really desperate for anything.
Where would you be at on this?
I mean, I think I could probably do full price.
You think you could do full price?
I think so. Yeah.
You've done some deals in this area, right?
Oh yeah.
How many deals do you think you've done in this area?
Like in the Northland, you mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. Probably.
Or sorry, not in the north. We're a couple miles east of Legends.
Yeah, I mean that particular neighborhood, I'm not sure. I mean, I've done like about 600 deals total or something like that. So
oh shit. Okay, so if you say you want it, you actually like I could count on you that you would actually take it. The only thing holding you back is you actually want to physically walk it to make sure that the photos and videos match.
You can never really tell everything from the photos, right? So I just want to make sure like it's structurally sound, the floors aren't wonky. that kind of stuff. There's no like crazy weird layout that's not apparent from the photos, that kind of stuff. Yeah.
Okay. But you like it at 165. If everything is
Yeah.
the way that we presented it, you're taking this thing 100% 165.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I
'Cause
could even, yeah, I would even sign a contract if you give me like a 12-hour or like a 15-hour inspection period.
I can do that.
Yeah.
Can you do,
Yeah.
it's 5K EMD deposit within 24 hours. I can give you 24-hour
that's fine.
inspection period, and we just get this done. I'll fire over the contract right now.
Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah.
All right, Ian, I'm going to fire over the contract. Okay, awesome. Well, congratulations, Ian. Just pay for that trip to Hawaii for Christmas.
That sounds good.
All right. Thanks so much, Ian. Appreciate it. I'll have that contract fired over to you in the next 5 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
Let's freaking go!
Go.
Robert, you're the GOAT.
9 of 11. This guy's done 600 deals, so he's the real deal. And I believe that was one of our AI matches. Let me confirm that. Boom. Yeah,
What's
sure
cool
enough.
about this is that the deal we sent out today, this is going to create more hype for that one.
That was our 4th pick by the AI.
164 minutes, $20,000 assignment.
Okay, David, we got some giveaways for people that have made it to the end.
To enter in the next 10 seconds, put in the chat any emoji. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Malu. Congratulations, Malu.
Congratulations. Guys,
Awesome.
Thank you to all you legends that made it to the end. Thank you, Colby, for jumping on with us. This was almost 3-hour call, probably about 2 hours and 15 minutes of actually being on the phones. It just shows if you really have a good deal, you package it up right, you should be able to sell about 2 deals per day. Now, an average assignment fee on Investorlift, it's the last time I checked, it was 28.7K. So like $25,000-$30,000 a deal. That means you can make $50,000-$60,000 a day in assignment fees as a Dispo manager if you just have good deals and use the system correctly, like you saw today. Watch the system for updates. Two-way DMing inside of the application is launching this week. We also rolled out daily digest or weekly digest. Basically, buyers, instead of getting hit every single time there's a new deal, they can set a digest where they can get emailed daily or weekly or bi-weekly or monthly or bi-monthly, and it'll just give them all the best deals in the area. We're also going to be taking that AI and incorporating that into the daily digest so that those buyers are going to get sent the very best deals for them based on what they bought before. So really excited for those updates to roll out. Also next week, we're going to have verified deals launching. One of the biggest complaints that we get from buyers is people posting deals that they don't even have under contract. So people that do have control of the deal, that do have them under contract, when you post your deals, you'll be able to drag and drop your contract there. Our AI will read that contract, verify that it is a legit contract, and then showcase your deal is a verified deal. So you get all the top buyers looking at it because they know for sure, hey, if they make an offer, they're going to actually be able to buy it. It's not daisy chained 6 different times. We also have 2-way 5-star reviews coming here in the next 30 days. So you'll be able to rank buyers. They'll be able to rank you. We're going to have full profiles coming out soon where you as a wholesaler will be able to showcase all the deals that you've wholesaled. So make sure if you're not logging your offers that you log your offers, because there's no way we're going to be able to showcase your deals if we don't see your accepted offers. So if you've been slacking on that, go back in, create some manual offers to fill those in so that when the profiles launch, you'll have a really nice profile with a big score. And then, of course, 2-way reviews are going to be on those profiles as well. And we're also going to roll those out for buyers as well. So with buyers, you'll be able to see all their buy and holds, all their fix and flips, all the properties they bought on Investorlift, their reviews. It's going to make Dispo a million times easier and allow all of us to make way more money by just dealing with the very best people in any market. Thanks for jumping on today. Next week, same place, same time. Let's go make some money.